Alrighty then, similar 11.2 questions, just straight up probability. First for this one in the bag, you got this in the bag. I have to make sure to read the question. It says not. So first I want to look at the total. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. A total of 11. So that goes on bottom. Now there's two ways I could do this. I could take and add up all the ones that are not purple, or I could take my total and add up the ones that are purple and subtract the ones that are purple. So I have two purples, and I'm going to take 11 and subtract 2, because then everything else would not be purple. So 9 out of 11s. Probability you have a green or a blue. So I'm going to add my green. I have 2 green. I have 2 blue. So that's a 4 out of 11. And there's a kid crying. Find the area of the total field. It says the field is 80 by 68. So I have to multiply 80 times 68. And that would give me 5,000. Whoops, a daisy. 5,440. Oh, great. Finding the area of the shed. So 18 times 22. 396. Tree. 96. What's the probability if one single raindrop lands in the field? It's including the shed. It's the whole dimensions of the field. 80 by 68. You don't subtract anything there. The tree's there to throw you off. What's the probability it hits the shed? So the shed, intended outcome of 396, your total area of the field, because the field includes the shed, 5,440. Now, if you wanted to, you could either leave your answer as a percent, which would be 7%, or you could leave it as a decimal, 0.07, or if you changed it into a fraction, it would be 99, feeling fine with 99, 1,360. That, our problem is just like 11.2. Thank you, and have a nice day.